Welcome to the footwork tips and variations tutorial. My name is bboy and today we're working on the sweeps, or another way it might be called leg work combination. I'm not going to waste your time, so we'll go directly to the combination. Left leg straight, left hand is on the floor. In the moment when you start to move to the left side, you're changing the hands and you're going directly to the dead leg sweep, straightening your leg again, and from that part you're going to the hook and turning in the position of the hook back to the zero position. The next what you want to do is to change the side, and this is the hardest moment because you need to keep the flow. In order to keep the flow, you have to add a small jump to change the direction. So once you're reaching the zero position and you're going to change your leg and the side, that's exactly the moment when you're making a small jump on the leg, on the left leg that you're sitting on, and at that moment you're changing the hands again, straightening the leg back to the hook, turn, zero position. Check one more time the way how we change the sides. Let's build a little bit more interesting structure based on this combination. So we're starting to the left side as we did previously. Turn, and in the moment when we want to change the sides, we're changing the structure. Instead of going to the dead leg, we're going directly on the knee and kicking out the leg we're sitting on. And from here, the left leg that we kicked out, going back through the sweep on the knee without the hands under the right leg, and you're getting back to the zero position. Let me do it one more time, a little bit faster with the flow. That was it for today. Enjoy this combo, enjoy your movement, and see you in the next tutorial.